Explain the following statements. A horse cannot pull a cart and run in empty space. A horse moves forward by pushing ground backwards. The ground will then give the normal force to the horse, the action-reaction pair as in Newton's third law, which is responsible for the movement of the horse. In an empty space, no such force is present, so the horse cannot get the push to run forward. Thus, a horse cannot pull a cart and run in empty space. The passengers are thrown forward from their seats when the speeding bus stops suddenly. This is because of inertia. When the bus is moving, our body has the same speed as the bus. But when the bus comes to rest, the inertia of our body opposes the stop and continues its motion. That's why the passengers are thrown forward from their seats when the speeding bus stops suddenly. It is easier to pull a lawn mower than to push it. This is because when you pull the lawn mower at some angle, one component of the force is in upward direction and the other one is in horizontal direction. The vertical force reduces the effective weight of the motor, which makes it easier. But in case of pushing, the vertical force is directed downwards, which makes its effective weight greater than before. This is why it is said that pull is easier than push. If a cricketer moves his hand backwards while holding a catch, why is that? According to Newton's law, we can write force is equals to mass into acceleration, and acceleration is nothing but the change in velocity. Therefore, we can say that force is directly proportional to change in velocity. If we can see that change in velocity by increasing the impact time, then we experience the force a little bit less than the force which we experience when the time is less. So if we increase the time, the force becomes less. Thus the cricketer increases the impact time by taking his hand backwards while holding a catch, which results in less force on their hands.